Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this KiCA vibration percussion device from FeiyuTech. You can use it after fitness, relax muscle after fitness with this massage gun, relieve muscle swelling, straighten and speed up the effect of muscle shaping. Massage your muscle after a hard basketball game, recover energy quickly. After hard work at your office, relax with this massage gun, give yourself 10 minutes and find the best relaxation. When you are doing outdoor sports, biking, running, walking, and even for an old man for a physical therapy, can be used for various healthcare, physiotherapy and more. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can work with that, what accessories we've got inside. Ooh, nice bag you see. Oh, I like it. Inside we've got the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me and you're gonna find out all about this product. I like it. Nice and durable case. Feels very premium. The logo, zipper around. Carry on with this handle. And there we are. Everything that you need for massage yourself at this lovely small case that definitely it will protect this precious massage gun. Accessories included inside, we've got the flat head, mainly for back, waist and other large muscle groups. This is a magnetic massage head. You can see here we've got this part is a magnet. Cylindrical head, deep tissue such as meridians, joints and acupoint. And again we've got magnet here. And we've got this lovely carry-on strap. You can install it at the device. Ball head for a large muscle group such as thigh, calf, waist, arm and hip, which can release soft tissues and sensitive muscle groups. U-head for neck, spine and Achilles tendon. And of course inside we're gonna find out and the cable type A to type C. Ooh, I like type C. Nice and premium cable. It feels very nice to my hand. And there's the beautiful massage gun. Ooh, it feels very nice to my hand. Aviation aluminum material is selected, all CNC precision processing. You can feel that all the manufacturer of this massage gun, it's so premium. Tiny and stylish, 485 grams. All it is an aluminum alloy body, intelligent massage, intelligent protection, lock-it motor protection, 6mm stroke and 18 hours battery life. Inside we've got a 2200 milliamps of the battery. Rated power is 10 watt and charging voltage you need 5 volt adapter or you can charge it from your power bank. Connect the cable here, type C connection. And then we can see we've got the red LED is charging from a power bank. And the dimensions are not more than a smartphone, as you can see. Nice. That means it can fit everywhere at your back gym, wherever you want. It is so small, but yet so powerful. Now let's connect this ball. Here we've got the 4 adjustable speed levels for different massage needs. Press and hold. You can hear sound. And this is the level 1, muscle arousal. It is about 1200 RPM. Level 2, facial relaxation, 2000 RPM. Level 3, lactic acid decomposition, 3200 RPM. And 4, intelligent speed control, physical therapy mode. And you can see it's slowing down the speed, and when I'm going to touch it, because this is the intelligent speed control, it starts to be more aggressive, more powerful. And then because it is intelligent, it knows when it needs to have more power. And turn it off, and we've got a green light. It has an advanced AI control algorithm is adapting to speed up the massage until detected. When the automatic ideal speed is removed, power consumption is saved and the ideal speed can last about 18 hours. 18 hours with this battery provide 3C power continuously and the discharge can reach more than 5C to ensure the power source of the motor's powerful strike. The motor that it has inside is installed with a 3-point suspension of silica gel, which can effectively isolate the vibration, reduce the noise, and allow the body and mind to decompress and enjoy a quiet time of massage. And you will massage yourself with this gun. You don't need anyone else. Just take this massage gun and enjoy by yourself the privacy of the massage. Well, I think it's time to try it to myself and see how it makes me feel. Now, first I will use this magnetic flat head, major muscle groups and on the back. Let's try it to my hand. Now let me say I'm using this device about a week now and definitely I can feel the difference to my body. It's doing a good job. It's relaxing my muscle after biking because I'm more on a biking sport. You can put it on 4. This is the intelligent. Oh yeah, definitely I can feel the relaxation to my arm. And of course we can use this cone head for deep tissues like meridians, joints and acupoints and more. Very easy to change. And the same here, we've got a magnetic head. Put it on smart. For level. Oh yeah, it feels very relaxed. I enjoy it so much. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh, I like it. Well guys, that was all about this KiCA K2 electric precision massage gun from FeiyuTech. The right choice to buy this product. You have seen what it can do. Definitely you will feel very relaxed after your sports, fitness and whatever you're doing at your everyday life. After a hard walk of your office, running, biking and all the sports that you can think. Definitely it will make you to feel so relaxed. Well, if you want to buy it, you can check down below to the description all about this product, where you can find it, where you can buy it, and more information. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.